Okay, this is Herald's Euro 4 125 Cafe Racer with the Roosters spin on it for a client. The bike's been repainted in a Triumph colour, which I think suits the bike really well. Standard seat, bar end mirrors, Roosters logo on the tank, cut down front mudguard, fabricated in shop. A couple of reasons for this. One, obviously it's a cafe racer. They never had these great big stupid mudguards on that the manufacturers tend to put on them. It's all about saving weight, and we went for, the client wanted the Firestone copy lookalike tyres, which is a much higher profile, so we ended up with having to refabricate the front mudguard on that. Same thing around the back, but chop the back off, just to give it that slicker look. Didn't really need the tiny little mudguard that was on there anyway. I think it really tidies it up under the seat. And then, so all you've got from behind, there's a nice little side mount plate and the rear light, and there's lovely little indicators. Foot pegs changed. So the rear foot pegs removed. And just a couple of other little touches, the removal of the reflectors and so on, and a little USB port installed here for when the client puts his phone on the mount, so he can use his GPS. So just a mild makeover rather than a full custom job, but when a bike is that good from standard, you don't need to spend a lot to make them look cool. I'm really happy with that. I think it looks lovely. I will say to anyone that's watching about these tyres, they are a very different riding experience, I would say. They're not for the novice. They've got very little corner profile, so when you go to tip it into a bend for the first time, you're going to go from that to that, and it's a little bit hair raising. Obviously these bikes are 125, so I would imagine most of you guys that are looking to ride them are not going to be the most experienced, so take it easy. They look fantastic. Anyone that's interested in what they are, that's the actual make. Firestone tyres, Deluxe Champion. But yeah, I think it's a stunning little cafe racer, that, for the money. Don't forget, contact us at bikes@roostercc.com for any custom inquiries. Check us out on the website and Facebook page, Roosters Classic Customs, Roosters Bikes on Instagram. Speak to you soon.